if you want to have fun harmonizing with fun vocals, this is the right place to get started. I'll teach you how to harmonize even if you never did it before. So, harmonizing means that you are singing and someone else is also singing at the same time something different from you. So this video is actually going to be in two parts. I'm going to be releasing another video in a few days on how to harmonize part 2. So if you like to get it, then subscribe to my channel and you're going to be notified of it. By the way, my name is Jorgelina. I am a vocal coach and I teach people how to sing contemporary music from a super healthy, super functional and holistic approach. When I think about harmonizing, I always like to start by singing thirds. How do we harmonize in thirds? Well, first you have to be familiar with the major scale. Hopefully you have listened to the Do Re Mi song.
Doe, a deer, a female deer.
So this is the major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course you can start different notes, but that is always the same structure. It's crucial that you know that scale to be able to harmonize. And you might already know it. Even if you don't know it theoretically, it's in your head because probably most of the song you listen to is built around that scale. Basically, harmonizing in thirds means that you're starting a third above the starting note on that scale, on whatever note. So you have a given melody, we're going to start a third above it, and we're going to move in the same way, all right? So if, let's say, my movement is 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. My harmony is going to be 3, 4, 3. Yeah, so I'm still doing this and this. 1, 2, 1. And if I start a third above, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start from 3. 3, 4, 3. So let's try that together. I'm going to sing 1, 2, 1. And you're going to be singing 3, 4, 3. Let's do that together. So I'll show you again. I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, and you're going to be doing 3, 4, 3. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. Let's try that again. 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. So again, when I say 1, 2, 1, you say 3, 4, 3 at the same time. Let's do that a little bit more slowly. So I'm going to do 2 beats per note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. This is my 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. All right, so next time I am going to sing 3, 4, 3, and you're going to sing 1, 2, 1. So you sing 1, I sing 3, 1, and I want to do it in 2 beats. I'm going to sing 1 in 4 beats, and then I'm going to start with 3. You sing 1, 2, 1. 1, 3, 4, 3. So this is how you learn to sing thirds. Of course, you need to really know the major scale because you need to know where your 3 is. Because if the melody, let's say it started in 3, 1, 2, 3, and I did 3, 4, 5, then your harmony, it will be 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, rather than 3, 4, 5. I hope this is not too confusing. All I want to say is that you have the 8 degrees of the major scale and you move. In a melody, you move. For the harmony, you have to do the same movement, but starting a third above. A third within that major scale. And so the most important thing here is that you recognize the original melody, the one you're going to be harmonizing over. You need to understand the direction. Of course, this exercise we did, very simple. It just goes 1 step up, 1 step down. But of course, in a song, it's going to be much more difficult than that. But this is how we start, with little exercises. And this is what we do in rock school as well. I prepare kids and teens for rock school exams, and they start doing these exercises in around grade 4. And that's how they start. 1 note down, 1 note down, and then they build up from there. And it takes them a while to get it. So it's not easy. The most important thing is that you have to know the bass melody to be able to follow the same movement starting from another point. By the way, if you are interested in really learning how to sing, I would recommend you to check my description below, because I have a one-on-one coaching program. It's 10 weeks long, and we focus on whatever you want, but with a strong foundation on building the absolute fundamentals of a super strong vocal instrument. This saves you months or even years of training, especially if you are only training from YouTube. I know I love YouTube, obviously, but all we can give you through YouTube is bits and pieces, and if you want to really learn, you need a complete method, a complete system. So have that on mind and check the description below if you are interested. Now, once you got the idea with this little exercise, maybe if you have access to a piano, you can play a little melody, maybe 3 notes, 1, 2, 3, or if that was easy enough for you, then you can go up and down, or you can do different combinations. And then there is a song that I actually always give my students when they are learning to harmonize. I really like this song, and I think it's ideal to learn parallel thirds. And it's the song Falling Slowly by the movie Once.
Take this sinking boat and pour it home.
The melody is super organized, and there are no big jumps. So it's ideal to really get used to these parallel third movements with a real song, not just exercise. So the melody goes, I don't know you. So that's 1, 2, 3, 2. And the harmony goes, I don't know you, 3, 4, 5, 4. And pretty much the whole song is like that. So if these exercises got easier for you, then that's the next step I would recommend. All right, so that's a little bit of how do you start singing parallel thirds. I hope this was useful for you. If you like this video, press like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.